We are women entrepreneurs, a designer and a writer, an athlete and an artist. One of us wears pearls and other wears dreadlocks. Different styles and shared values. We think big. We do our homework. We would choose love over logic anytime. We have a good deal. We have branded companies and elite courses, designed websites and books and business plans. We have styled homes and styled people. And what we know for sure is that style is a language. We help people to articulate. We inspire authenticity. We see possibilities everywhere. What is your style language? Let's find out that together.